All right, y'all, we're back with another one. It's gonna be a short one. Small packages. So we're gonna see what this is. He taped it pretty good on this one. Another mystery pack. So three small ones. So we're gonna see what this one is. Oh shoot. What is that on there? Sticker or something like that. Oh, y'all know who that is right there, huh? That's that rookie card right there. Why is there so many stickers on here? Alright, well, let me take it out this plastic so y'all can see it a little better. Hey, shh. Too loud, dude. Shoot. I don't want to mess up the card. Man. Why in the hell would he do this? Alright. Finally got it off. Luckily it's in this protector. But yeah. Well, that's why I couldn't take out the sticker. It's inside the bag. But y'all know who this is though, huh? Yeah, man. It's that rookie card. It's that rookie. Just won the championship too. And MVP. That's crazy, man. I'm gonna have to somehow flip the card around. But yeah, that's it for this one. Let's see what's in this one. In this mystery pack. See if I can. I think it's on there. It opened. Yeah, see, they need to put tape on that. These people could steal your package. It's nice and wrapped up though. Let's see what we got up in here. Ooh. That King Griffey Jr. right there. Boy, rookie card. That's beautiful right there. I don't know why they just give it a 9. Why you didn't just give it a 9? But man, that's still a nice card though. 8.5. See, 8s, the 7s, especially the 7s. 7s are still good too. I don't know, but it's hard to get a 10 though. Really, unless the card is brand new. Then yeah, definitely get a 10. But you know what? Think about brand new cards, right? If it's a hologram or whatever it is, foil, whatever you call it, it's hard to get a 10 out of those. Real talk. Really hard. Just the way the card is, they get scratched up easy. Card could be perfect. You won't even know that it's all scratched up. Man, this is ridiculous. Now this is I like it when they put a lot of tape on it, but it's hard to get in there. All right. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom. What we got right there? Nice. That's a beautiful card right there. And boom. Ooh. Rookie, baby. Damn. Ooh. That J-Dub right there. Rookie. Man, another one. I had to get two of them. I ain't playing. Damn. Ooh, that SGA right there, man. Rookie. No, this ain't a rookie. Because he on Oklahoma. This one is. This one is because he's on the Clippers. But look at that. Ugh. Nice. Still, beautiful cards right there, man. Beautiful. You got the rookie. Yeah, I'm not too sure about him. This might be his rookie card. I don't know. But, yeah. Matter of fact, I think this is his rookie card. Yeah, that is. But, if I'm wrong, leave it in the comments. But look at that. Beautiful. Put that one right there. Straight beautiful. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything to hit that like button. I'll try to make some more videos. You know, different things too, you know. But yeah, that's it for this one. Peace.